In this video, I will show you how to verify your Etsy account. To begin, visit the official Etsy website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings, which will take you to a page displaying all your account details. Scroll down to the Email section, where you'll see the status of your email verification. If the status shows as unconfirmed, you'll need to verify your email address. Click on the Resend Confirmation Email option, and Etsy will send a verification email to the address linked to your account. Open your email inbox and locate the email from Etsy. It will contain a link to confirm your account. Click on the Confirm Account option in the email, and you'll be redirected back to Etsy. Once completed, your account status will update to Confirmed, and you'll have full access to all Etsy features. This step is crucial for ensuring the security and functionality of your account.